Man, that's cool. Look at this amazing machine. How about that? That is cool. Man, she obviously needs love, but this is a legendary S-Class. W108. Man, this is insane. 280 SEL. Man, what a cool car. Yeah, obviously the paint, I don't know if it's original, probably not, but still, such a cool machine. Those headlights and everything. The bumper is actually all pretty much intact. Oh my god. That is nuts. The hubcaps. That is so cool. And the rear bumper too, it's in great condition. Everything is awesome. Yeah, Rodrigo's obviously going to be fixing it up and restoring it. Yeah, he loves these machines, and I was the reason why he got into these cars. But he is happy, and I'm happy too.
Oh, I don't know better.
Oh, there you go. You know better. Wow, that's cool, man. That is so badass, bro. I love that. That power windows too. No mames. Rodrigo. Oh man, they're really, really good actually. The seats. Oh my god. That is awesome. I know it is. Yeah, I wonder if it's original. I don't know if it is. Probably it's not, but still, it looks good. Definitely it can be because I can see some overspray, but that's cool though. You want me to pull on it while you got it?
Oh yeah, pull on
it. Nice. Oh, that's the baby. Yep. Inline 6 gasoline. Yep. That is cool. I love this thing. That is awesome. Same oil cap like on the 123. Yeah, I haven't worked a lot on these actually, but still love them so much. It looks like the tires are brand new too.
Oh yeah, the tires are new. Yeah.
They're brand new. Same size like on the 123.
Yeah.
Same size. That is awesome. Man, I love this thing. So yeah, you're gonna be restoring it slowly.
Yeah.
You're gonna be working on this.
So I got this guy that he does interior work, and he told me that he can get all this interior like
fixed up. You gotta, bro. This thing looks really good. You have to put a sunshade on.
Yeah.
ASAP.
I got this cover, so I'm gonna put it in.
Yep. This thing looks really good. Like the dashboard, there's a little bit of cracking there, but it's pretty good for the most part. It's nice. When was the last time you had it running, Rodrigo?
2 days ago.
A couple days ago? Nice. Let's try first this. Just wiggle it a little bit. Maybe it's the wrong key. Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah? Needs a jump? Something else. Yeah, I definitely love the color. It's so cool.
Is that original color?
No, that is not original. Original was something else. Yeah, this was repainted too. You see how it's like overspray? So you would have to see where the original was. Maybe it was like dark blue or something.
Oh, yeah.
Still looks good. Legend. And notice that, like a little bit of purple and like blue. Come on, baby. Almost. Okay, let it sit for a second. Try to reset this. Yeah, we probably should use the cables because this battery's old too. Hold on, or both. Let's try again. Hold on. Oh, one last time. Go for it. Yeah, almost. Yeah. Oops, it's okay. That means that's good power. Yeah. Yeah, it should start just fine with just the cables. The side vent too, the window, that's so cool.
Yeah, it is, bro.
Okay, let it sit a little bit and try again afterwards. Yeah, try again. Cool machine. Oh, got it? Almost. It's almost like...
He told me that he gassed. He'll gas the pedal for like, I don't know for what. And then try to start his engine.
Uh-huh. Wait, you pull on this. Right here? Yeah, that one. Let's see, hold on. Now try to pull. Wow, look at that. He's got some goodies with that. Wow. Service manual, that's great to have that. Nice. And he's got a bunch of extra parts too, he said. That's cool. Very nice. Spare tire and everything. Big chunk. We're about to try to start it. He had it running a couple days ago. It's just really cold today. I don't know. She's just not happy. But again, the plugs may got fouled a little bit with fuel, so we'll let it sit and we'll try again. Almost, bro. It's trying. It's almost like maybe one of the cylinders is not firing enough. So definitely spark plugs need to come out, get cleaned, need to distributor cap contact. Yeah, you can do that too. That will do a lot of improvements. pull this off after unclipping. I'm gonna check the contacts. There actually looks like it was replaced at some point. This cap and the wires. We can clean these contacts real quick. There's a bit of corrosion there. Man, it's so close. Come on, baby. Yes, 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 yes. Woo-hoo! I know. What? Yeah. Man. Okay, let it run right now for a while, man. Wow, what a machine. When you first try to start it, maybe the injectors are just like spraying a lot of fuel or something, you know what I mean? And it's just over fueling too much, you know?
So if they are, what's the...
Well, you gotta look at the injector rebuild or something, you know, or like see, but...
You hear the engine?
It's so smooth, bro. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. Wow, what a legendary car. Sure. What a cool car. Oh man. Oh my gosh. I love this thing. What an amazing machine. What an amazing car. I'm so happy this baby's in good hands. Rodrigo will take care of this baby. What a cool car. I love this thing. Oh man. Rodrigo has a lot of plans for this amazing machine. He's going to be restoring her. She has a little bit of trans oil leakage and all that stuff, but yeah, what a great car. Yay. It's a champ, bro. It runs so good too. Oh yeah. Oh my god, bro. I'm happy to have this thing, bro. Oh yeah. It's in good hands.
Oh yeah, it is. Bro.
You know.
Trust me.
Shifter bushings are kind of weird. They need to be gone through, so you don't know what gear you're on sometimes. car. Oh my gosh. Nice. So he gave you, the previous owner gave Rodrigo a lot of cool books actually. This is insane. I really like this. Oh my gosh, Mercedes-Benz Club of America. Damn, look at that's the same S-Class. That is so cool. This is the stuff you gotta save. That is nice.
Wow,
That is
1926. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. That is amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, nice. They're like brand new, not open even. Wow. So the guy was definitely an enthusiast.
Oh yeah, he had
Gave you some glass too. That's awesome. Let's see if she will start. No, battery's dead. Yeah, well, the battery's from 2018, so she's a little... You know how they make new batteries these days. Only good for like 1 year. Beauty. Very nice. These are the books and stuff. This is the engine manuals, like gasoline and diesel engines. Repair and repair, like 8, I would say 8, yeah. So there's a lot of good stuff and info. Definitely gonna be reading that. But the service manual right here is another cool part that the previous owner gave him with the car. There's a lot of stuff, electrical, whatever else it has, belts, engine stuff, suspension, transmission. It's cool stuff.